Hello students, do you know which day is today? Yes, it's Friday today and today we are going to study. Yes, this is our EVS class and in our EVS class today we are going to start our new lesson. Lesson 5, the clothes we wear. Okay, now let's see what we wear in different seasons. So students, nowadays these are summer days, or as you know, nowadays it is raining outside. So students, in summers what do we wear, and in rainy season what do we wear, and in winter season what do we wear? So first let's see what we wear in summer season. Now students, tell me, what do we wear in summer seasons? Like do we wear sweaters? No. Do we wear frocks? Yes. Do we wear shorts? Yes. Do we wear jeans and top? Or do we wear tunic, t-shirts and shorts or skirts? Yes, students. So now let's see what we wear in summer season first of all. So first of all, open your book at page number 18. Lesson 5, the clothes we wear. Mummy, why are you taking out my sweater and jacket? Sanya, we wear different clothes in different seasons. In winter, we wear woolen clothes to keep warm. That is why I am taking them out. So students, now tell me, in this season we wear woolen clothes? No, we wear cotton clothes. What do we wear? We wear cotton clothes. So let's read about the different kinds of clothes we wear in each season. So first season is summer season. Which season is first? Summer season. It is hot during summer, so we wear cotton clothes in it. They keeps us cool. Cotton clothes keeps us cool. Students, what we wear in summer season? We wear cotton clothes in summer season. So let's see what are the cotton clothes. T-shirt, tunic, frock, shorts, top and skirt. So here is Sanya wants to know why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? So students, do you know why we wear cotton clothes in summer? Cotton clothes are light and absorb the sweat. Sweat comes from our body. The cotton clothes absorb them, and cotton clothes are waterproof. Okay. Now the next season is winter season. It is cold during winter, so we wear woolen clothes to keep or to stay warm. In winters we wear woolen clothes. In summer we wear cotton clothes. And cotton clothes, why do we wear? Because they absorb the sweat from our body and they are waterproof. And in winter, why do we wear? What type of clothes do we wear? In winter we wear woolen clothes to keep our body warm. Yes. And what are the woolen clothes? Types of woolen clothes: jacket, woolen pant, sweater, muffler, socks, gloves and cap. All these are, yes, woolen clothes. As you can see here in the picture, first is jacket, woolen pant, sweater, muffler, socks, gloves and cap. Now there is one more season, that is, yes, rainy season. And nowadays which season is going on? Yes, rainy season. And what do we use in rainy season? In rainy season we use umbrella and raincoat and gumboots. Yes, we use raincoat, umbrella and gumboots in rainy season. But let's see what the book says. When it rains, we wear a raincoat, yes, or hold an umbrella so that we do not get wet. Sometimes we also wear gumboots to keep our feet dry. Okay, fat children wear uniform to school. The uniform for each school is different. So students, you have seen there in our nearby surroundings there are many schools, and every school has their own different uniform. You have different uniform, and the other school has different uniform. Yes, so do you know uniform plays also very important role. It will identify you that from which school you are. And same as some people who are working like as fireman, doctor, policeman, army man, traffic police, nurse, sailor, all these have their particular uniform for their work, so that we will identify them through their uniform. So let's know about uniform. People who do the same kind of work wear special clothes called uniform. Yes, and those who are wearing same dress of one kind of work, people who are wearing same dress is called uniform. Like every doctor wears white coat so that we can identify them that they are doctors, and army man wears green color dress so that we can identify that they are army person. And same as like fireman, policeman, traffic policeman, pilot, nurse, doctor, sailor, everybody has their particular uniform of their profession. Okay, so here there is a firefighter who is wearing red dress, a policeman who is wearing brown dress, a pilot who is wearing black pant and white shirt, a soldier who is wearing green dress, a nurse wearing white dress, and a sailor is also wearing white with blue collars. Okay, so let's go to the next page. Here there are some costumes like special dresses for special occasions, like Punjab origin person wear kurta and pajama, and ladies wear patiala suit, and here Kashmiri wears skirt and pajama. Here Gujarati wear ghagra and dhoti, choli and dhoti, and sari. The lady wears sari. Same here, dhoti kurta and sari for West Bengal. So let's read. People live in different places, wear different types of clothes. They are called costumes. The clothes dancers and actors wear are also called costumes. The dancer of Kathak, she wears suit with skirt with pajami. And here this is Manipuri dance, this is Bharatnatyam and Kathakali. They all are having different dresses or different costumes for their particular dance. So grandma says the costumes of different regions are vary according to the climate there. The costumes are worn by the different region people according to their climate. Okay, material of clothes. We got wool from the fur on the body of animal like sheep, rabbit and yak. We use wool to make sweater, jacket, muffler, shawl and other things. And we get leather from the skin of dead animals. Leather is used to make things like jacket, belts and shoes. We got cotton from the cotton plant. We use cotton to make clothes like frock, pant and shirt. So our summer clothes, like we use cotton clothes. So we got cotton from cotton plant. We got leather from the skin of dead animals to make jacket, belt and shoes. And we got wool from sheep, rabbit and yak to make our winter clothes like jacket, sweater, muffler, socks and shawl. Okay, so students, read this chapter, lesson 5, the clothes we wear, from page number 18 to page number 21. Thank you. Have a good day.